Let's test this video camera out. Woo! Damn! He gone.
You know what it is?
$118. Woo, shit. Damn, right in my ear. Bye-bye, Wilmington. There it is, they rolling. Out too. Damn. Whatever it is, he out. Like a track cleaner? Is he gonna trip that signal though? Strangely enough, no. It didn't even trip the signal. The fuck? How's that work? What the hell? What the hell, yo? Maintenance away equipment. They pulling a little trailer behind it. Hey, yo. I'm dead. Yeah, nice little ways apart too. Like they almost like they racing. They playing tag. Hey, keep up. Are you gonna trip the signal? Are you serious? Bruh! Yo! There's two more. Yo. Straight maintenance of way equipment. It's carrying a tank. Okay, now it's red. There's another one. Yo, it's a caravan. I'm dead right now. Go. They brought the whole fleet out. Yo. I'm dead right now. I got dead in there 3 minutes of just maintenance equipment. Yo. Yo. Is that it? I think that's it. Good grief. They are out there. Wow, that just screwed up the southbound express. Ain't nothing going down that stretch. They probably heading out to do the construction work. They are loud as hell. Bye-bye, maintenance equipment. I think. Yeah, it looks like it. Yep. Ooh, he over here. Damn. Woo! Shit. Damn. Yo, the wind it kicked up. Yo, it got cold real quick.
He was waiting for her.
Woo! There she goes. Oh, the wind. Beautiful. Bye-bye, 66. We get low angle. Lord have mercy. Woo! Woo! Damn. That's a hell of a view. Yo. This is slightly uncomfortable. Yo. I just realized I'm sitting right next to the joint. So that's all I hear in my ear. Doom, 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 doom. I don't think I've ever felt so uncomfortable sitting next to a train in my life. Yo! How long this bugger is. That air coming from it though. Woo. Cold now. Oh, kick the beat. go. Bye-bye. God, that kicked up a lot of air. That kicked up so much air. Oh my goodness. Well, the Fred works. The Fred is working. Fred is definitely working. I hope that's not why it's being held up.
Oh, shit.
Okay, that light on the side threw me off for a second.
I was about to say, wait a minute. I'm like,
That light on the side threw me off for a quick second.
yes.
I was like, oh damn, wait a minute.
So you like being next to poles, don't you?
Whoa. Can we wait till I stop? Can we wait till I stop recording before you say this crazy mess, you fool?
You're behind another guy.
Whoa.
Pole.
You know what? This is where this video is about to come right to an end.
What you trying to get into? Another guy?
What? You need to shut the entire fuck up. I'm recording. I'm gonna kick you, you simple
What, you
bitch.
want Big Bubba stick something to
Sir.
Yes. Oh, you still recording?
Yes.
How many times I gotta keep saying it, fool?
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna have to edit this part out. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, no,
This might make for comedy.
What you want, Big Bubba?
I don't. Shut up.